Hi guys, once again, want to try something else today. I want to try kebab, and obviously I want to do this kind of food out in nature. But unfortunately, these days because of the weather condition, I'm stuck at home. But soon as possible, weather get better, so I'm gonna be out and do some nice foods and show out there the nature. So it's like I would love to go myself as well. Anyway, so here it is, my ingredients in it. So I have like green pepper and paprika, and I have aubergine, and I want to use two different tomato. Really, I feel these tomatoes are really tasty. I love this, so I just want to put it in it as well. And I have a garlic and onions and the cherry tomato, and I have the spices there. So I will just like now start it and see how it's gonna be ending up. So enjoy watching. So we're done now cutting our vegetables. So I will just put it on like sauce. I mean, there's some spices. And let's see. This is like paprika. Black pepper. And red chili pepper. In Turkey, actually, we put a lot of strong spices, but my ones are like middle. It's not too strong, so I'm not so fond of eating strong chili. So this one is a strong one, and this one here is sweet one. Now it's like we're mixing our spices, and then after we will be covering over the meat. Was we're covering over the meat. In the end, I just put a little bit salt. Now is our food is ready to go into the oven. So 180 degrees will be 1.5 hours. So we'll be ready. Now I'm starting my rice. So I will just put hot water into the rice. So I will wait some time to get a little bit. Hi guys, today we will try a different way of doing this rice. So we're starting now, so you can see it on the. Now my rice is almost ready there. I just want to put a little bit of butter on it. So onto the middle here, guys. So this will be really nice, tasty. Yes, guys. Finally, food is ready. So I'm just gonna take it out and So here it is. Finally. As you see, guys. Oh, smells awesome. This is really beautiful. I love what I see. I will just soon and taste of it and then see how it is. Everything. I will just check my rice is perfectly done as well. Yes. Oh, rice looks awesome. Look at this, guys. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Oh, so nice. All right, I'm gonna take some of. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this. This is incredible. Wow. Right. Oh my God. Guys, I wish you were here. The smell of this food is, it's killing. Wow, look at this. All right. The final try. Oh, look at this. Meats are really so like tender and everything. Enjoy it. Oh, wow. Guys, I'm sorry. I apologize some of guys watching over there that they cannot be here, but I'm telling you, wow. See you next time. Thank you.